China is directly responsible for the spread of the virus and the death of people all around the world. People may not be able to prevent the virus from breaking out, but when it breaks out, it is entirely possible to get it under control. Due to the authoritarian, lying, and irresponsible behavior of the Chinese government, the number of Chinese virus cases is now over 1 million, and the number of those who died has exceeded 50,000. Who is responsible for all this? Who is going to pay for this? Did the Chinese virus spread naturally around the world, or did China intentionally spread it? First, China concealed the virus, failed to say the case numbers honestly. Masks and other control devices have been purchased by China from all over the world in a short time. Chinese people deliberately spread the virus in crowded places abroad. Chinese political and economic hubs such as Beijing and Shanghai have been almost ignored by the virus. On the contrary, it has rapidly spread in the political and economic centers of the world. The number of cases and the death tolls have overtaken China, where is the source of the virus. Doesn't all of this show that China is spreading the virus deliberately and in a planned way? Nowadays, while the whole world has suffered from the crisis and helplessness due to the Chinese virus, the masks, test kits, and other medical supplies sold by China to many countries such as Spain, Italy, Czech Republic, and Turkey turned out to be fake and of poor quality. Chinese huge economic income stemmed from at the cost of death and the suffering of people all around the world. In such an extraordinary situation, China is deceiving people across the world and playing with the people's lives and taking advantage of it. Of course, it must be asked,